Powder magazine.
Powder magazine. Building 2, Fort Niagara, Youngstown, New York. The camera can see these barrels better than my eyes can. Wood floor. Lots of powder. Kerbo! Definitely have to use my flash in here. Little window. Lots of barrels. Very well built building to hold all this. Yeah, the floor is nice. Can't really see much of it. It's very dim in here. You what?
Welcome to the Powder Magazine. This building was constructed by the French in 1757
It's an
as part of a
antique.
2-year expansion program that transformed Fort Niagara from a small frontier outpost to one of the most formidable fortresses in 18th century North America. The design of the enlarged fort and the Powder Magazine itself was based on European models.
Cool.
While many powder magazines in North America were constructed at least partially underground, Fort Niagara's new magazine was built entirely above ground to lessen the chance of the gunpowder becoming damp and less effective. If you compare the size of the building when viewed from the outside with the size of the interior, you will realize that the stone walls of the magazine are about 4 feet thick. Overhead, the space between the outer roof and the much lower interior ceiling would be filled with dirt. In case of attack, these features make the magazine bomb-proof, protecting the up to 50 tons of gunpowder that can be stored here against a direct hit.
Yeah, look at all those barrels. Imagine that exploding.
Other features like the nail-heavy assembly of the wooden floors and wall coverings, and the use of gunpowder storage barrels wrapped with hoops of grass, copper, or willow help to minimize the chance of a spark igniting an accidental fire or explosion.
Curve.